One of the recent developments in handset technology, of course, has been motion sensitivity and touch screen and all of that stuff. But it's been done on a handset hardware basis rather than this solution here with Orbitu, which is in the SIM. I'm joined here by Olivier Leroux. Just tell us a bit what you've done here.
This is quite exciting because today we are announcing a world first. We have combined into one SIM a standard USIM and a motion detector sensor. And now we can really pilot the SIM with just the motion.
So the advantages of that being that you can take that SIM, you can put in any handset and get that experience?
Yeah, of course. The advantages of this technology is the fact that this is totally handset independent. This interaction between the end user and the SIM can be effective in every handset, whatever the technology, whatever the feature of the handset. And we are therefore creating a direct link between the end user and the SIM. And it gives opportunity for unlimited application.
Well, give us some examples of what a user might want motion sensors in his phone.
You know, there are very basic applications that we would like to showcase during this exhibition. The first one is you may or may not know that the SIM is controlling the call when it comes to the handset. And by just flipping the handset now, we are able to reject the call and to send back an SMS to the caller saying, I'm busy, I call you back later. So before you had to get into the menu to type your SMS, now just by flipping the handset, we are able to do so. You know also maybe that the SIM is hosting several applications. Those applications are fairly difficult and handset dependent in terms of localization in the menu. Now we can emulate those applications just by tapping the mobile or by shaking the mobile, and it gives maximum exposure to those applications which are controlled by the operator. This is the second kind of application, and we have also a use case which could be a bit more extreme, which is we can detect body fall. And therefore, you can imagine some kind of secure application whereby we are going to detect body fall and we are going to place emergency call if this is linked to a health problem.
So we can see our robot friend moving around in the background here, which is great, but can we see it on the handset? Have you got some handsets you can show us?
Of course. I mean, the robot is here to show that obviously with or without handset, the SIM can detect the motion, but we have some implementation on real handset, and as you can see, nothing special in the handset. This is a massively deployed handset, and now if I want to activate the SIM menu on this handset, I just have to tap, and if I want to call the customer care of the operator, I just have to type 2 times, and so on and so forth. And really, I'm creating a direct and natural interaction with my SIM application. And we believe that on an operator perspective, this is a very strong value proposition.